In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Stubhub account. To get started, open the Stubhub website or launch the Stubhub app on your device. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before continuing, since the deletion request will apply to the account you're currently using. After you've signed in, go to your profile. On most devices, you'll find this in the top corner of the screen or within the main account menu. Tap or click Profile and then look for Settings. This is where Stubhub keeps the account options you'll need for privacy and personal data controls. Inside Settings, open the Privacy section. This area is specifically meant for managing how your personal information is handled. Once you're in Privacy, look for the section labeled Your Personal Info. Under that section, select Sending Us a Request. This option is the path Stubhub uses for requests related to your personal data, including account deletion. Next, choose Delete My Personal Information. This is the option that starts the deletion request process. After selecting it, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website, so just read each screen closely and continue through the process as directed. When everything is filled out and confirmed, submit your deletion request. Before you send it, it's a good idea to double-check that you've selected the correct request type. Once submitted, your request will be sent to Stubhub for review and processing. After that, the final step is simply to wait. Stubhub says that deletion requests can take up to 30 working days to complete. During that time, your request will be reviewed and processed by their team. So if you don't see immediate changes to your account, that's normal. One helpful tip here is to keep an eye on your account status or any follow-up messages in case Stubhub needs additional confirmation related to your request. Also, be patient during the waiting period, since processing times can vary. And that's all it takes to request deletion of your Stubhub account. Follow those steps carefully, submit the request, and then allow time for the process to be completed.